Hello, hello. Welcome back for another adventure.
Hey, no, no,
Today we are hiking Angel Rocks. It's one of the hikes by the Chena Hot Springs. Is on our bucket list, and we're gonna complete it today. It's like a 3.2 mile hike.
5.
And you said 3.5? Oh yeah,
Says, I think.
3.5. 3.5 mile hikes. It's 1.2 miles to the Angel Rocks. And then you can hike all the way to the hot springs if you want, but that's 8.7 miles.
Let's do it.
I've heard it's a really scenic hike. Some parts are fairly steep, and the mosquitoes apparently, or supposedly, are running rampant at the steep part. So we'll see how it is. It's fairly shaded right now, and yeah. Still going further, but look at that view. Holy cow. That's pretty. We parked all the way down there. Somewhere over there. So pretty. It's getting really hot. Gotta roll up the sleeves.
I'll roll your sleeves up.
It's very pretty up here. It kind of reminds me of Colorado, only because like we're walking on dirt, but it's hot. Pulling up the sleeves. Not even gonna worry about the little string things. Alright, let's keep going. One of the things that drive people berserk who live in the interior are when the birch leaves start to turn yellow. That means winter is coming. Also, whenever the fireweeds get their cotton, that's another sign. But there's none around me. But whenever I do find some, I will show you guys what I mean. This is what I'm talking about. Fireweeds used to be a beautiful, beautiful purple color, and now they're all cotton, and that is the for sure sign that winter is coming. The first sign is when the purple leaves or the purple flowers get all the way to the top of that plant, and that occurred. Once that occurs and the plant is at full bloom, then it turns to cotton. And yeah, it's coming, guys. after almost an hour and a half, we've made it to loop back part. And yeah, we have 6.5 miles to go. Just kidding. That's to the hot springs. We're continuing on. 50 hikes in 50 states. Aw. That's nice. There's a bear. There's a bear in there. All right, let's hope there aren't any. Hi! My hero. So as I was taking pictures in there, trying to be like an Instagram selfie girl, a spider crawled into my tripod, and there was a bee in there. And I may or may not be allergic to bees, so my hero. Thanks, babe. Hi, Chris. We are now at the peaks. It's so beautiful. I love the mountains. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. Hey! I'm on top of the world. Hey!
I'm on top of the world.
Hey! I can't really play that song in the video because of copyright reasons. So cool. So cool. Time to make the descent back down to where we started. Probably about another 1.5 miles or so, but at least we're going downhill. One thing to note about hiking Alaska's backcountry is that you always need to have protection from both the mosquitoes, the animals, and the people, of course. More specifically, the animals. You obviously need to make as much noise as possible. Yeah, make as much noise as possible so they know that you're coming. They're more afraid of you. They don't want to eat you. But either bear spray, bells, or even a weapon if you are comfortable and licensed on weapons. Another thing about hiking, don't deface the nature. Come on, guys. Really? Make sure you stay on the trail, too. If you're going hiking, make sure you tell somebody, especially if you're not hiking in an area with cell phone service, just in case something happens to you. That way people know where to start looking. Bring tons of water for you and your animals. You're walking your dog, cat, ferret, turtle, whatever. Mouse, chinchilla, squirrel. You know, make sure they have enough water so they stay hydrated.
Your fish?
Your fish. Definitely make sure your fish has water. So you stay hydrated.
That elephant?
No matter what the temperature is outside, it could be 85 degrees or negative 15 degrees. Bring water. Orangutan. Stay hydrated, folks. Woo! Up in here, up in here. I don't know how much is left in there. Might have to refill it. Good thing we brought extra. As we end out this adventure, I hope you enjoyed our adventure to Angel Rocks. I also hope you enjoyed the impromptu hiking hacks with Morgan. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. And whenever you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell, bing, so you don't miss any videos that I post. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.